Assembly instructions for UPC number 26172, 26176, 26177, 26183, 26184, 26185. 63-inch surround, wall oven, 36-inch cooktop and dishwasher combo. Thank you for your purchase of one of many fine products designed and manufactured by UPC. We have made every effort to make your assembly easy, clear and hassle-free. For more information or if you have any questions, contact customer service at 1-800-859-7442. Start the assembly by removing everything from the boxes provided for the display. Make sure to verify with the instruction sheet provided that you have all the items in the parts list and parts bag. Optional cleat end will not be shown in this video. Required tools for assembly. Number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Assembly instructions. Step 1. Screw in a total of 8 single cam bolts A into left side panel G and right side panel H. Step 2. Attach left side panel G to left back panel L marked with a 1 using single cams. Using hex key E, turn cams clockwise to secure panels together. For more detailed instructions, refer to top of page 2 in the instruction sheet. After cams are tightened, stand assembly upright. Step 3. Attach right back panel M, marked with a 2, to left back panel L, using 4 double cam bolts B. For more detailed instructions on double cams, refer to bottom of page 2 in the instruction sheet. Step 4. Attach right side panel H to right back panel M using single cams. Step 5. Screw in 7 single cam bolts A into header K. Step 6. Attach header K to left side panel G and right side panel H using single cam bolts. Step 7. Attach 3-inch leg P to right back panel M and 30-inch wall oven base X to right back panel M and left back panel L using 6 leg screws Q in the positions shown. Look for matching holes in back panels. Note, retain 6 counter screws R for step 10. Step 8. Set backsplash O on the top of 3-inch leg P and 30-inch wall oven base X, and push tight against back. Attach backsplash O and shelf bracket T with 4 shelf screws C, as shown. Step 9. Slide shelf S onto shelf bracket T, as shown. Step 10. Glenn completes step 10 at the end of assembly, making subsequent steps easier to complete. He's got your back. Step 11. You will need a ladder for this step. Feed top panel, J, into the display from the front. Connect top panel, J, to header, K, using 3 single cam bolts, A, placed in step 5. Step 12. Disassemble light bracket from 2 pendant lights, U, by removing 2 set screws on side of each pendant light, U. Note: retain 4 set screws and 2 light brackets for next step. Glenn screws them back into the bracket so he doesn't lose them. What a smart guy. Step 13. Use 2 screws provided with pendant light, U, to attach light bracket to top panel, J, using pre-drilled holes. Once attached, feed cord and ground through center hole in light bracket and top panel, J. Reattach pendant lights, U, to light bracket with screws from step 12. Repeat for second pendant light. Step 14. Connect wires by twisting and attaching wire connectors. For an illustrated, detailed diagram of how these wires go together, refer to page 12 in the instruction sheet. Step 15. Remove switch from switch wire and insert switch into bottom of top panel, J, switch will be on same side as light. Step 16. Reattach switch to switch wire and thread one end of switch wire through top of top panel, J, and plug into LED light strip. Step 17. Connect power adapter to switch wire. Step 18. Connect LED light plug, pendant light plug and Beko logo light plug to power cord, CC. Set on top panel, J. Step 19. Plug power cord, CC, into power strip, DD, then plug power strip, DD, into nearest electrical outlet. At the end of assembly, blend completes step 10 and attaches countertop W to 3-inch leg P and 30-inch wall oven base X using 6 counter screws R. For counter screw placement, refer to page 9 in the instruction sheet. After that step, your assembly is complete. Congratulations on completing this project. If you have any questions, please contact customer service at 1-800-859-7442.